back to another video. My name is Emilee Lover, and today we are going to do an unboxing of Backbone. Backbone is where you can play Steam games when you're away from home. I think this is really good. You can play with the Game Pass. I think it's really cool. So we're gonna jump right in and unbox this thing. So I found this really cool. So what we do is we're going to take this out. Set that aside. There's any paperwork. There is a charger, so we need to take that out. Just in case we need to go back to it. So I already have the app downloaded. What we're going to do, I'm going to take the case out because I think we can't play it. So we're going to do this. Do that. And that. And then I'll screen share this. And then phone, and I press A to continue, and then I'm going to sign in with my Google account because Google account. So I'm going to push the first one, obviously, and then I'm going to blur out my number. So we're going to do a kitty cat because I love it. So my toy name is going to be Emmy. So I'm going to allow all photos. So we're going to see if there's anything. Let's see. Oh. And then X to continue. Got it. We get a lot of things with this. But we're not going to do the membership. Just the... Okay, so again, 90 free. Let's see how it goes. And then if it... So I have until October for it. So But yeah, this is going to be fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Bye.